of us. Lindsay. Sit. Hold on. Look behind you. Look off of your left shoulder. Right here, on top. Watch you. No, you pick out one. Go ahead. Good job.
That was sweet!
Shoot him, he's swimming.
Which one?
On your left. You shot over him.
That's an expensive damn gun.
Don't shoot Chloe.
Where is Chloe? Oh, shit.
Shoot him! Shot over him again! Well. Kill him. You could have been done right there. You realize that?
Yeah, I do. Okay. Now I hit the motherfucker. I hope you folks are enjoying this crap. This is embarrassing.
Get it on. Right up above you. Look up. Sit.
Damn.
Please tell me you got that on film.
I killed that motherfucker right there.